Karen! Starbucks started their summer promotion. They call it Summer E-Frequency.
We're going to show you how to get some cool freebies. Open the Starbucks app. To view the Summer E-Frequency, click here.
For each drink that you order, you will get one sticker. You need 3 mission drinks and you need 14 normal drinks. So total you need 17 drinks.
You can collect all the stickers yourself, but the cool thing is, you can also share them with friends. To do that, click right over here. So as you can see here, I have 3 mission drink stickers and 7 regular drink stickers.
And I also have 8 regular drink stickers.
So together we have
enough. So now I'm gonna set my stickers to Charlie. So you can press the button at right top. 이 스티커 선물하기. She needs 7 regular stickers. So I'm gonna send her 7 regular stickers. And I need to fill in her barcode number here.
To view my barcode number, I'm going to click on the barcode icon.
So you can type her barcode number here, or there is a sign like a 바코드 인식하기. So you can scan her barcode if you press that like this. Okay, so her barcode number just automatically, filled in here. Then 비밀번호 is password, so you have to type in your password of the Starbucks app. Then now, finally you succeed.
So now when I open up my e-frequency, you will see that it says congratulations, because I now have enough stickers. Thank you so much for sharing, Max.
Oh, my pleasure.
Last year, everyone had to stand in line to get their freebies. This year, it's much easier. You can simply click right over here to make a reservation to go and get your freebies. There's 3 steps to make the reservation. Step 1, we'll just click the green button. And over here, we can choose which item we would like. Max and I would like the pink cooler. So we will check it and we will click on the green button one more time.
Okay, so the 22nd is the fastest day. So yeah, let's get it. And now you have to choose which Starbucks you want to get from.
Over here, you can search for a Starbucks, or you can simply click over here and it will show all the Starbucks stores which are closest to you.
The green thing, it says how many items they have now. So you can see they have 5, they have 10 and 10. But yeah, we're going to go this Starbucks, right? So press the button and then press the next button. So if you want to finish, you really have to press this button. You can confirm your reservation. Finally, we did.
All right, wonderful.
Wonderful, beautiful.
There we can see our reservation date and the Starbucks we selected.
Hooray! We'll take you with us
when we collect our cooler box on Saturday. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. This is the day.
And finally, we are going to get our bags now.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go. So, open the app. And then press the Summer E-Frequency tab, and then there's a sign 증정품 예약 history. It's a history, so you need to press this button. And okay, so our sticker is just revealed in the reservation 2 of the pink colors. So you press the button and then you just show this barcode to the workers. That's all. It's easy.
Amazing.
Can you do this?
I think I can.
Okay.
Let's go and do it.
Let's go.
Scanning her barcode for the carrier.
got it! I just got one, so you have to do this. Just getting our color and just getting the carrier. Just using my card now. What a friend.
Thank you. You're great.
So anyway, if you want to get the massive bag to carry the cooler box, and then you can pay just 2,500.
Here it is.
Yeah.
Let's go and check it out.
Look at this lovely guys. They're Charlie and Max. Okay, we're gonna unbox this.
We are back.
We're back. Let's unbox this. Like you see, you can get the bag to carry this box because you get the hole, but yeah, it's a little not heavy, but uncomfortable to carry. Or you can carry it like this.
Just get the bag.
Doesn't it look cool? Okay, so let's unbox.
How much did you pay for the bag?
2,500. 2,500원.
You can only get the bag when you get the cooler. So if you want the bag, you'll have to get it when you get the cooler or the lantern.
Alright. Ooh! Yeah, here it
Amazing.
is.
Awesome, check it out.
Yeah. And just like this. Ooh, oh, there's a tape, a sticker. And look inside, it's like this. So it looks very convenient to use.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it looks great.
So the stickers for decorate the cooler.
Yeah.
Ooh. So you can make your name on the cooler box.
Here's some more stickers.
Yeah, a lot of patches. Ooh. It's really cool.
Camping with Starbucks.
Yeah, I'm here for coffee. Wow, yeah. So when you go camping or go to the beach, and then we can carry our coffee here. Okay, so wish you guys also have this cooler box or yeah, lantern. But this is cooler, I think. Cooler.
Cooler is cooler.
Yeah. Bye guys!